NFL Mixer, pick your team break number 2890. January 5th. Thank you guys for joining the break. We'll get that we're live on the main real quick. We'll get into this one shortly. 1 second, guys. All cards will be shipped except the Donner Space. If you guys want Donner Space unsorted, DM the page, we'll send you some. There's only 2 other breaks tonight, guys. Closer filler. We'll close out the final 2 breaks of the week. Is a 1-box Prism PYT break and 1-box Bowman Sterling PYT. I think there's only around 20 spots left, I think now. 20 something. In this break, we got 1 Prism Hobby, 1 Donruss Hobby, 4 Prism Blasters. 4 Prism Blasters. Four Prism Blasters, 2 Donruss Megas, and 2 Donruss Blasters. We'll move up the bounty to 85 for the final breaks tonight. $85 true 101 bounty. We're going to start with the Donruss Blasters. Then we'll hit the Megas. Then we'll hit Donruss Hobby, and the rest will be Prism. Number 1. Not slice this. And number 2. $85 true 101 and a $15 any downtown bounty. Good luck, guys. Let's get into it. I'm not sure, Jeffrey. I think on the Super Bowl side of things, maybe. Witherspoon, production line, Austin Eckler for the Chargers, and Derek Carr red. A lot of cards will get cased up when I get it out to you guys. We got Harrison and backside Bijan for the Falcons base. And it's Jason. Tyree, Tillman, and Cam Akers. Hyatt and Nichols. Zach Evans for the Rams. Charlie Jones and QJ on the Gridiron Kings. Final pack. Base. Jay Kaner, Jahmyr Gibbs for the Lions. Rich Eisen, fans of the game. Blaster 2. Final Donruss Blaster. What do we got here? Full name, Rain Dakota Prescott. Full name for the boys. Dallas Cowboys, Nick. Rain Dakota Prescott. We got an A-chain for the Dolphins, red press proof Miami. Went out to Dalton on the A-chain. Dorian Williams, Jaron Hall. Schoonmaker, Smith, and Hendon Hooker for the Lions Elite Series. There's a CJ Stroud for the Texans base, Houston. Going out to Matthew. Base Stroud. Ty J and a red hot Jordan Addison for the Vikes. Vikings Hoottie. 2 to go. Base. Thule, Mingo, and Laporta on the canvas for the Lions. Detroit Lions, Scott Bailey, Sam Laporta canvas. Bottle pack out of the Blasters. Christian Gonzalez, Charbonnet, and Hendon Hooker, the rookies for the Lions. Next box, or next 2 boxes will be the Donruss Megas. If we do land points, we'll go 3 times top of the list. After 3, we'll get the points. Then we'll hit hobby. The rest will be Prism. Good luck, guys. Number 1. Pink to start. Skoronski, Tua, Wicks, and a Bryce Young green for the Panthers. Bryce for Carolina, that is Rob. QJ, Chargers. Red Hot, Michael Mayer. Willie Galt, McIntosh, and Shaquille. Some of these packs are so flimsy in these Vegas. Another Bryce Young for the Panthers. Hassan Reddick for the Eagles. JSN Optic Pink. Seahawks. Going out to Jeff Copeland. JSN. And Will McDonald on the Rookie Revolution for the Jets. Three to go. Jaden Reed and 250 points, which will be random between everyone. Go 3 times. Top of the list, we'll get the points. That'll be done at the end of the break. Hendon Hooker on the rookies. Hank Bigsby and backside Mingo for the Panthers. Completely forgot there was points in these, even though I had mentioned it literally moments ago. 2 to go. Base. McIntosh, Bomb Squad, DTR, Usamoa for the Chiefs, and Kayshawn for the Patriots green. All base cards. I mean, I could probably look for some. I'm sure we have a couple from these breaks, but just let me know. Base. There's a Moa numbered card. Alex A for the Lions. It's a gold 250. For Detroit, going to Scott. And it's a Loney. First numbered card to 50. Max Crosby for the Raiders. Pink Zach Harrison. Brock Purdy for the Niners on the green. Brock. Jordan V. First Purdy, second one coming up. One second, guys. Final mega box. These things just explode. Zach Harrison sauce. There's a Laporta for the Lions on the optic and Fletcher Cox. Pink optic preview. Going out to Scott Bailey. Another line. Laporta. Base. Jalen Carter. Canty and McDonald's on the press proof. Deontay Banks, Jahmyr Gibbs on the Red Hot rookies for the Lions. Zay Flowers, Elite Series, Overshown and Mosley. Scope for the boys. Wicks, got a crunch time, I think. Zay Flowers, Chase Brown, Justin Jefferson on the crunch time for the Vikings. Minnesota Vikings, Hoottie. Justin Jefferson. I think we do have ink in this one. Autograph inbound. JSN. 395. Skaronsky for the Titans. Base auto. Tennessee Tom Wolf. Skaronsky. Michael Wilson. Falling in the back. Kendre Miller and Skaronsky. Michael Wilson. Final pack out of the Donruss Megas. Get the Donruss Hobby next. Good luck. The Donruss Hobby. Final Donruss, Tank, Josh Allen, McDonald's, and Ty J for the Titans. You want to save the Levis for the Prism for sure. I feel like we're due for, we have not hit a gold yet at a Prism. We're due for like a gold or, I mean, we hit the White Knight, but I mean, I don't know my thoughts on that parallel. Not something I think is going to stay around too long. I don't think that's going to be in Prism next year. luck. Pack 1. Miles Murphy. Josh Allen on the Power Plus insert for the Bills. Jack Ham and Wicks for the Packers. Jahmyr Gibbs for the Lions. Kendra for the Saints. The rookies. Thornhill and Renfro. Number card backside. Derek Hall, Stephon Diggs for the Bills. We have a canvas, Jaron Hall, and Etienne Jr. for the Jaguars, the 500. Second number card of the break. Julius Brent, Micah, Dominators, Tyreek Hill, and backside Travis Kelce. 2 to go. Paris Johnson Jr. A-Chain for the Dolphins. On the Elite Series, Deontay Banks, Canvas, and Nick Chubb. Final pack, stack 1. Closing something might be our no-name trade. Tucker, Deontay Johnson for the Steelers on the no-name. Pittsburgh Steelers going out to Matt. We have A-Chain on the rookies. Tank Dell and Robinson for the Packers. Next 2 stacks. Good luck. Eric Ray, Justin Jefferson, Action Off Pros, Joe Thomas, and Autry. Stetson Bennett, Tony Pollard for the Cowboys. Tank Dell and backside Noah Fant. Number to 87 for the Seahawks. Fan. KJ Henry, Jaron Hall for the Vikings. The rookies, Justin Jefferson and Patty Mahomes for the Chiefs. Here we go. No hit yet. Tyreek Stevenson. Will Anderson Jr. for the Texans. We have a canvas, Mozzie Smith and Trayvon Williams for the Bengals. Vahcic. Justin Fields on the Dominators. Tillman and backside Ovara. Final pack in this stack. Acetate auto, I believe. Jack Campbell to 25. Ooh, passing the torch. Very nice. The Cowboys, 17 to 25 on card auto. Tony Romo. Nice hit for Dallas. On the passing the torch. Oh! There it is. Tony Romo and Dak for the Cowboys. Going out to Nick. I was about to say the memorabilia has both on the front and the back. I was not expecting the back to have the another person. This is the first passing the torch auto we've hit this year. Very nice hits. Going out to the Dallas Cowboys. Congrats to the Cowboys. Romo and Dak on card. Very sweet. The fact that it's on card is ginormous. Which side do we show? Probably Dak? He's playing right now? Steve Young. Winslow and JSN on the red. That is number to 25. 25 on the pass in the torch. Very sweet hit. 17 to 25. It's definitely a game changer. That's shocking that it's on card, considering they had to get both those guys to sign it. Very shocking. Makes that actually a way nicer hit. Alright, final stack. Good way to end Donruss. Still got a whole nother stack. Chance to hit it downtown and the jersey. Michael Mayer. Brought to the Super Bowl of Kittle and Ayuk for the Niners. Josh Downs, Russell Wilson for the Broncos. Power Plus, Tank Bigsby, and numbered card for the Seahawks, Jamal Adams to 100. Jersey in now, good luck. Rookie in front, Michael Mayer to Derwin James for the Chargers. Jersey number 2/399. Chargers going out to William. Need Derwin to bounce back next season. Russell Wilson. Tommy Townsend and backside Cheetah. 3 to go. Michael Wilson, Justin Jefferson. Here's the number Joshua Williams for the Chiefs. To 100. Champ is here. Kansas City Chiefs, Hoottie. 200. Jared Goff for the Lions on the red. Two packs left, and that'll do it for Donruss. Oh, this is way... Can we get the glare fixed here? There we go. DJ Turner, Jalen Waddle for the Dolphins. Nothing. I hate when they do that. Stephon Diggs. Action All Pros, Brock Wright, and Dent. Final pack, good luck. Next up will be 4 Prism Blasters. Closing with something on the back, so it might be just a red. Hendon Hooker, Elite Series Tyreek Hill, and Tank Bigsby for the Jaguars. All right. They're saying Harbaugh, but I have no idea, to be honest with you. I don't know what they're going to do. Knowing them, they're going to somehow screw it up. If there's any way of getting Belichick, that's where I want to go. But that's what I'm hearing. 4 blasters, fellas. 4 blasters. See if we can keep it up out of these blasters that were hitting nicely in the 20 blaster PYT. Yeah, honestly, it does need a little spin table. It's a sweet card, though. Shocked. We've ripped a decent amount of Donners this year, to be honest, and it's pretty shocking that's our first one of those. Some cards in the back here. All right, Prism's coming up next. Good luck, guys. For Prism in the blasters, you're looking for those silvers, the variation silvers, and the orange discos. Wilson, first disco will be a Charger, not a rookie. Khalil Mack, great season. Hassan Reddick. Chargers William. I'll get all the orange discos cased up here. Titans rookie, there he is. Will Levis going out to Tennessee. So the blasters stay hitting. Tennessee Titans. Going out to Tom Okonkwo. Base, Zach Evans. Panthers, no rookie. Chark. Micah on the hype. Yeah, the centering on that one wasn't great. They've been hitting. The centering's been really good on these, though, to be honest. Raiders rookie Byron Young. Darrell Wilson. Oh, that one's strong to the right. For sure. Silver coming up. First silver. Charlie Jones. Colts. No way. Michael Pittman Jr. for the Colts, silver, and Baker Mayfield. Colts going out to Fernando. Final pack. Variation silver. Titans again. Ty J. Almost back-to-back Will Levis's, but then there's a Derrick Henry behind it. IJ variation, Derrick Henry, and Saquon. Next blaster. Horton, Texans, no rookie. Robert Woods. Austin Eckler. Cardinals, rookie. Ojulari. Sauce. Who's that on the backside? Another Will Levis. Panthers, no rookie. Adam Thielen and Bortles Chubb. I mean, I think the fact that that one's on card is a game changer, those cards. If it was sticker, it would be a little bit less appealing, with the fact that most likely they both signed it not together. Justin Shorter and Tariq. For a Cowboys fan is pretty sweet. Should go. I would definitely put in at least the 200, 300 range for sure. What do you say, Niners? Jerry Rice Debo. That's got to be better, I would think. Tony Romo Dak. Bills rookie. Nice one for the Bills. True Silver Prism. Dalton Kincaid. Nice hit for Buffalo. Went out to Kevin Stevenson. Kincaid Silver. Tyrann Mathieu. Final pack in this one. Mike Williams, Steelers, no rookie. Kenny Pickett for the Steelers and Patrick Peterson. Somebody remind me on the points at the end of the break so I don't end the live. I've been forgetting on the points after the recap. Two to go. Still on the Blasters. Silver to start. Pace Jr. Steelers again. Another Kenny Pickett for Pitt. Going out to Matt Jackson. Kenny Pickett Silver. Second year KP Silver. J-Love. Steelers again. Wow. Broderick Jones, Darren Waller. Steelers and Titans in the Blasters so far. Will Anderson Jr. Bills and the Bills. Gabe Davis and Tua on the hype. Colts rookie. Oh my goodness gracious. A little bit strong on the right. So this, for some reason, this little spree right here, but the back's not too bad. Nice hit for the Colts. A.R. Fernando. God, the Colts, man. If we just rip blasters for the Colts, which would be 24 blaster break, there would be 2 A.R. discos, 1 silver prism, and 1 variation silver. 324. That's crazy. Very nice. Bobby Wagner. Final 2. Another silver coming up here. Forbes. Ravens. Lamar. All right, we'll take a Lamar silver for Baltimore. Nice one for Baltimore. Jake. Which I think everyone, I think he's almost guaranteed the MVP. I don't know what the odds are, but I'm sure he's pretty heavy favorite now. Final pack. Minshew. Patriots. No rookie. Judon Bosa. All right, fellas. One final Prism Blasters. They have been hitting. I'm not going to lie. Those Prism Blasters, my hat is off to the Prism Blasters this year because previous years, I'm telling you, we would run through those things, and the hit rate on those was just not even comparable, to be honest. I don't know if it's just to start and get some nice boxes or what the deal is. Van Ness, Broncos, no rookie, Humphrey, emergent, Javon Holland. Brett Favre. Vikings rookie, Jaron Hall. Saw a disco for the Vikes. Going out to Hoottie. It's a Dak and Romo dual auto. 17 of 25 Romo Dak. Go back to Dak. Curtis Samuel. All right, silver coming up. Kalijah Cansey. Steelers again. Rookie, Darnell Washington. Deontay. Steelers doing very well in the Blasters alone. Silver Darnell. Here we go. Asante. 49ers, no rookie. Nick Bosa for the Niners and Breece Hall. 49ers, Jordan V. Bosa. One more variation would be nice. Chase Brown. Dolphins, no rookie. Javon Holland to CMC. Last pack, good luck, guys. Final box will be Prism. No variation on this one. Cowboys, rookie, Shoemaker, and Shockey. All right. Once again, those discos for the first couple of breaks will case up. All the discos. But afterwards, it'll be a little bit more selective. Final box, Prism, Hobby. Empty box. Good luck, everyone. Grand finale. Back one. Gold or better is what we're shooting for here. Ace. Got a hype silver AJ Brown, followed by an orange to 249. Cardinals rookie Michael Wilson. An Arizona to 249. Cardinals Mike. Tyreek and Vahcic. There we go. Camo coming up. Camo. Backwards again. Good luck, guys. Lions. Detroit is Scott. Let's see a rookie. Rookie. How about a Laporta? That is a sweet hit. Going out to the Lions. Beautiful card here. Somewhat of a color match. Number 225. 7 of 25 on the Laporta. Nice hit for the Lions. Scott Bailey. Laporta to 25. We got Jake Haener and backside Jahmyr Gibbs for the Lions as well. Laporta out there. Hyper and a silver. Sauce or silver. Packers, no rookie. Bakhtiari. Our hyper to 175. Patriots, no rookie. Kyle Duggar, Derek Hall, and Brent. New England Patriots going out to Brandon Scott, Kyle Duggar. To 175. All right, base, wave. Prison break, CJ Stroud for the Texans. Giants rookie, Eric Gray to 199. Giants. Going out to Rob Evans, Eric Gray. Blue Wave, Johnson Jr. Trey Tucker. Two to go on the front, no autos yet. First auto right here. Good luck. Should be a vet. Brandon Cooks on the silver. AV. Patriots, Adam Vinatieri. Number 2. I want to say this is the 15 or 25. 14 to 25. Vinatieri for the Pats. Flashback autographs. Kind of a sweet card, though. Patriots. Going out to Brandon Scott. 14 to 25. The legend, Vinatieri. First auto. $25, Miles Murphy. That's another Eric Gray. Last pack here. Wow, what kind of pack is this? We got a snakeskin and I think that's a purple ice, and then a flashback silver. Good luck on the snakeskin. Last year we hit Kenny Pickett, so hopefully we can hit a Stroud or a big rookie here. Lockdown on the Rook one, or a big QB in general. Bucks going out to Jordan V. Good luck to Jordan. It is going to be a Kyle Trask. Kyle Trask snakeskin. He kind of looks like Baker for a second. I thought it was Baker. Baker's doing pretty good over there, but you never know. Kyle Trask was okay in college. Never know. Snakeskin of Trask for the Bucks. Got Jacoby to 225 for the Raiders. And KJ Henry to Stetson Bennett to round out stack one. One auto remains. In the second stack, once again, guys, we have 2 other breaks on the board waiting on the closer fillers. I'm probably not going to put up any micros or minis. We'll just try and close it out as is. $10 a spot. Try and get those closed out because those are going to be the final 2 breaks of the week. Swap these 2 out. Good luck, guys. Red Wave. Patty Mahomes. Fireworks, ETN. Bucks again. Wow, another Kyle Trask. Second one for the Bucks. So 149. Damn, that's a lot of hate to Kyle Trask. Campbell Ben, I'm never going to write off anyone. I mean, to be honest with you, that's why I sleeve everything. I sleeve all the rookies and inserts because, God forbid, look at like players like Darren Bland. That guy would never be sleeved or cased. Defensive player. But, I mean, his cards are going bonkers. And then you got like Brock Purdy in a perfect world. Got Raiders, Devontae Adams to 249. But in a perfect world where Brock Purdy got drafted just as is, last pick, I mean, it's not even worth even sleeving the guy. But there you have it. He is living proof of why you never know. It's better to have your cards ready to be like, you know, in good condition too. That's why I pretty much, even if they're not even any good, they're garbage. Just in case, you never know. It's better safe than sorry. I've seen it a lot of times with baseball. Baseball has been probably a little bit more crazy. 4 to go. Base. Lazard, flashback silver, Stafford for the Rams. Rams going out to Brent. Bills, no rookie, or it is a rookie. Dalton Kincaid, another one for the Bills. Second nice Kincaid to 149. Going out to Kevin. But you really never know. Look at Dobbs. Dobbs had that one spike where his cards were selling for, I mean, all these especially with QBs. If it's not QBs, it's a little bit less likely. But QBs, if they just get a chance. Look at Flacco. Flacco out of nowhere. Anton Harrison and Bijan. Way to go. One more auto still works. Nick Folk. God, why do I keep thinking it's not backwards? Browns, no rookie. Jerome Ford is doing pretty damn solid over there to 199. Stepped up for Cleveland. Went out to Andrew Hovan. Jerome Ford, Tyree Wilson, and Cedric Tillman. Final 2. Orange. Micah. Final pack once again supposed to have the auto. Cardinals. Joshua Dobbs, speaking of the devil. To 249, Jalen Hyatt and Wilson. Cardinals actually with a decent amount of numbered cards and silvers. Some QBs to 249 on the Dobbs. Final pack, good luck, guys. Should have some ink here. Tony Pollard on the silver. Final auto. 331. Lions once again. How about a Jahmyr Gibbs? It was a Lions box for the Seahawks. Or for the Lions. Jahmyr Gibbs. Going out to Scott. Ron, you screwed me with the Seahawks. Speaking on the Seahawks. Very nice. Congrats to Scott. Just popped up out of nowhere right there, the Lions. Zach Evans and Charlie Jones. Round things out. Give me a second for the recap, and then we'll random off the points. I'll probably random off the points real quick so I don't forget. Actually, we'll just hit the recap. The recap is ready to go anyways. Solid stuff, guys. Solid stuff. Some nice hits in this one. Base cards. Line started heating up towards the end there. Inserts. No name and full name right there. Red and green press proofs. Canvases. Orange non-rookies. Orange discos. Orange discos and optic previews on the rooks. Silvers. One variation was Tiger. Nice Kincaid. Numbered cards. Dobbs to 249, Ford to 199, Kincaid to 149, Adams to 249, Kyle Trask to 149, Myers to 225, Gray to 199, Duggar to 175, Wilson to 249, Williams to 100, Adams to 100, Fant was to 87, ETN to 500, and Angeloni to 50. Some of our other hits here, we had Derwin James on the jersey to 399, Skoronski auto, and Vinatieri was to 225. Other hits, two other discos, Will Levis for the Titans and backside, AR going out to the Colts. We had a Kyle Trask snakeskin going out to the Bucks. We had a Jahmyr Gibbs Silver Prism rookie auto for the Lions. We had a Sam Laporta navy blue to 25, 7 of 25. Both from the Prism Hobby, saving the Lions there. And then passing the torch, Tony Romo, 17 of 25, and Dak Prescott on-card auto. Nice hit for the Lions too, or for the Cowboys. I'm starting to get delirious, guys. Let's try and get those two breaks closed out with the closer filler. Once again, I'm probably not putting up any micros or minis, just so we could just get straight to it. Appreciate you guys if you can help me get that one closed out so we can run those tonight. And the points. Last but not least, I forgot about it. $250 points, 3 times good luck. 1, 2, and 3. Brent Lucas. Congrats to Brent. Top of the list. We'll get to 250 points. Congrats on that. That was randomized on 3 times. Brent will land them. Appreciate you guys. 2 final breaks to close out the night, close out the week. See you guys on the next